Charlie, I want to make money. Or what should I do?
Thinking about a profession you want to go inside, and graphic design is one of the best professions you can go inside. You get it? You see people working at Google, Meta, Facebook, and other industries making a whole lot of money. You get it? So it's up to you to take. Every profession is worthwhile, and it's up to you to work on your skills and everything. You get it? Hello everyone, this is Smart the Billionaire, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into taking graphic design as a profession and the benefit you get from it. First of all, what is graphic design? Me personally, people I've talked to and stuff, they think graphic design is doing social media templates or just putting some colors and lines together. No, graphic design is using a message to convey a visual message, or using visual element to convey a message to an audience. You get it? So maybe this is a boy. I've obtained that message, so I'll be using visual elements like colors, images to convey this is a boy without actually using the word this is a boy. Who is a graphic designer? A graphic designer is a person who uses those tools and the softwares to communicate that message I talked about in what a graphic designer is, to convey that message to the audience, right? So a graphic designer needs some certain skills to be able to convey that message, because as a salesperson need a communication skill, that's also how a graphic designer also need a communication skill. You get it? So there are some skills that are really key. What skill do you need as a graphic designer? One may ask, right? Key skills you need is problem solving, right? You need to be able to articulate client's problem, to solve it using that visual elements, right? So like designing a logo, and then we are solving a problem for the clients, giving the company an identity, and that's really key. Let's take Apple for example. When you look at the Apple logo, you see that this is Apple, right? No one is there to convince you that this is not Apple. Even their interface tells that this is Apple. Skills you also need is visual communication, and visual communication is also key for designers, because you have to train your eye to be able to see as how designers see, to be able to articulate those things. Those are the visual skills you need. You get it? So that's your applications, artisan more and more, reading books and other things. Adaptability, that's another skill you need. So to be able to adapt to modern trends and stuff, because a logo created in 1990 is not the same logo created in 2020. Right? There are differences in it, so you need to adapt to those trends. And right now, logos that are really key are simple logos, but at that time they were really complex. You get it? And as time changes, you need to evolve and adapt. That's one of the skills you need to get as a designer. And also creativity skills, right? So I talk about application and stuff in the other, and it's in this point also. So you need to be creative as a graphic designer. That's why we employed you. That's why you are a graphic designer. Don't just to do colors and stuff. You need to be creative. So you have to sharpen your creative mentality. You get it? By watching videos, by inspiring yourself to create that sense of creativity. You get it? As a designer, and that's really key. That's what clients seeking for. So one may ask, where will you get those skills I talked about? Communication, problem solving and stuff. So we can join boot camps, we can join online programs, we can join online courses. Udemy is there, Coursera is there. We can even watch YouTube videos. I know designers who have been watching only YouTube videos, and they are really good at what they do. I know them, right? So me, I recommend paid course, because me, if I pay for a course, I want to get that skill. I'll get that discipline to do the course. You get it? I won't take it for granted because I paid money for it. But if it's free, it's not that sense of like discipline, right? For me personally, and I love paid courses, right? Because sometimes there are things they will teach you won't get free. There are things too you get free, you won't get in paid course. So blending the two is really good, right? And there are a lot of information out there. You can be misled in not learning the right thing. I remember when I quite started in graphic design, right? I was watching people and what they talk about and stuff, and it led me quite astray because I didn't get the right courses and the right information. So getting a mentor is really keen, and I have a mentor personally. And one thing that's really helped me is subjecting myself to guidance. So you have to get a mentor so that you know that, oh, you can reach out to someone or someone in that industry, in the graphic design industry. Like, you can reach out to me personally. Lastly, what are the benefits you get from graphic design? So first of all, let's talk about diverse career opportunities, right? You get to work with various industries, entrepreneurial opportunities. You can start your own agency, a studio. That's those pursuing graphic design. Get entrepreneurial opportunities, and you get to work with your own client. You get to work on the projects you want to work on, right? Like working for an industry and doing your own freelancing is two different things, because that one you get to talk to the client personally. And if you are working in an agency, as I did some time ago, you'll be asked on what you should do. Sometimes you don't get to communicate with the clients and build your communication skill. So working as an entrepreneur helps you a lot. I've done freelance gigs and it helps me communicate well with clients, so I've built that communication skill there. You get it? So you have to do that and do freelance jobs and do agency jobs to get that skills together, because that's very important. Last benefit is a sense of accomplishment. I remember when I first started in graphic design and I was working for a sports agency, because they had a lot of views and stars. Like when I see my designs being viewed by thousands of people, it's like a sense of accomplishment for me. It's like now my design is out there for the people to see. It's not just me only seeing it. The clients love it and people too love it. That's that sense of accomplishment, where you see that your logo is being printed on the t-shirts. That's that sense of accomplishment. And that's the greatest benefit for me as a designer. In this video, we talked about what graphic design is, taking graphic design as a profession, and also the benefits you get from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you.